Okay, so this TV is in pretty bad shape. Today I'm going to try to restore it, get it working, and try to use it with my computer. These are the materials I'm going to be using to clean it with. I ended up not using the ammonia or the gloves. Now I'm going to clean the screen using the glass cleaner. I'm also going to use some of this glass cleaner on the rest of this plastic here, because it worked pretty well to clean stuff off. Okay, now I'm going to use some more of this to clean the black part. Alright, so now I'm going to clean this, and I just want to say sorry for the beeping in the background. Some neighbors are getting construction or something. It's really loud. But now I'm going to clean off this black plastic. Get the dirt off. This TV's been rained on, it's been outside a lot, so hope it still works. Gotta get it cleaned up first. Now here I'm using the air compressor to clean all the dirt out of the little cracks and crevices that are all over this thing. It worked pretty well. But about halfway through, I realized I was using the wrong attachment. You'll see that in a minute. So now I realized that I had the wrong attachment on, so I replaced it and kept going. Now I'm going to clean it out with this toothbrush, just getting in the little cracks and cleaning it off more. And then I'm going to go back at it with the air compressor. Okay, now I'm going to go back at it with the air compressor. I'm going to switch to voiceover mode now. Now I'm using the air compressor again to just clean out little cracks. And I'm also using it in combination with the toothbrush to get out as much dirt as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it on. It's plugged in. I kind of cleaned it. I don't know. There's not much you can do about oxidation except painting it, but let's go. See if anything blows up, if there's any magic smoke, anything like that. Okay, we get the wine. See if we get any static. Yep, the auxiliary turned on. See, there's sound. I'm not getting any sound. no static or anything. But we know that it does work and it doesn't explode. So now I'm going to try plugging it into my computer with my adapter and seeing if it'll accept an auxiliary signal. Okay, so I have my Mac Mini here and I already have a monitor hooked up to it. I'm going to try hooking up the new one to it. So, let me set my camera down and I'll get right to it. Okay, so now I'm going to hook up my HDMI to LCA adapter. So HDMI goes in here into the Mac Mini. It's already hooked up. Power for the adapter goes there. And this is an audio video HDMI, so it should if the speakers work, then it should be able to pick up audio from the computer as well. Alright, sorry it's so blurry, but plugging these in. Now I'm going to boot up my computer and test it out. Okay, so I turned on my computer, and I'm now going to try to use this one as a secondary monitor. So let's turn it on. Make sure the adapter's set. Great! It's working, and it is mirroring my display. Perfect. So let me change this really quick. So it doesn't mirror it. I want it to do that. Now it's acting as a separate display, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh, the arrangement is wrong. Fix that really quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, great. Now I have it working as a separate monitor. Now the picture on this one, of course, CRT, so it's really bad. But, does it have edge? Okay, that's good. That edge is good. Yeah, so the edges pick up pretty well as well. I have another TV, this one over here, and when I hook it up to the computer, it thinks that the edges are like way off. Oh no, wait, that one works. It's this one down here that like the edges are like way off the edge of the screen. So it's kind of weird, but there we go. So that's TV. Stay tuned. I have another video coming in within the next week about Surplus City, which is a store near me. It's very interesting, and I interviewed the manager and got a lot of cool facts. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Sorry I was so sniffly during this video. I actually have a cold right now, but I'll try not to be as sniffly in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.